How do programs represent real-world things like users, products, or bank accounts? For example, a user with a name and email, a product with a price, a bank account with a balance. In Kotlin, we represent these concepts using classes and objects. What is a class? Class is a blueprint used to create objects. It defines the properties, which means our data, and the functions, the behavior. The basic structure, class and the class name, and put between the two brackets the properties and functions. The class describes what an object should look like and do. Creating a simple class. Here is a simple class, its name user, and I put var name, which is a string, and age and equal 0. Here we created a class called user with two properties, the name and age. How to create object? Object is an instance of that class. Example, here is new object from the class user, and I access user.name and assign a value, and user.age and assigned value. Then I print user.name. Here user creates an object. User is the instance of the class. Class with constructor. Kotlin allows creating objects with initial values using a constructor. For example, here is a class user and take parameters the name and age. When I define the user and invoke the constructor, I can pass the arguments for these parameters. This is a short and clean Kotlin syntax. Adding function to a class. Classes can also contain functions. For example, here is the user class. I can add a function greet and print inside it hello and print the name. I can invoke through the object user.greet, the function inside the class. Here is the object can call functions defined in the class. Why classes are important? Classes are the foundation of object-oriented programming. They help developers organize code, model real-world objects, reuse logic. Example in real applications: user, product, order, payment. Classes and objects allow programs to model real-world systems. With them, developers can organize data and behavior together, create reusable components, build scalable applications. Thanks for watching and see you next